Welcome back, friends. Now we have reached a stage where we will have to check out the different tiling managers and the windowing systems, because in Arco Linux from the phase 3 onwards we will be able to install windowing systems or window managers along with the tiling managers. We need to check out the background of tiling managers and the different windowing systems. So myself, to be very frank, to be very bluntly honest, I only used IceWM and OpenBox till date. I have not used many of those tiling managers, because the key bindings and everything, you have to do all the settings and everything and then remember the key bindings. I find it not that much encouraging to go after it. So I was using the standard desktops, and along with that I used to use IceWM for my tablet, and OpenBox also I tried on my laptop. So OpenBox is okay for me. So I thought maybe we should do a background study of the IceWM window manager, then OpenBox, and then study the different tiling managers available. So today's video we will discuss about all these things, and in the next video I will do a review of NTX, IceWM and JV, I think JWM tiling managers. So let us start. So IceWM, this is the website of IceWM. So this is ice.wm.org, and they have given some introductions and history of IceWM. Plus there is a comparison between the different window managers and this tiling managers and everything. So we will check this out. So this is a very resourceful website. So IceWM is a window manager for the X window system. The goal of IceWM is speed, simplicity, and not getting in the user's way. It comes with a taskbar with a pager, Google, and per window key bindings and a dynamic menu system. Application windows can be managed by keyboard and mouse. So I found the mouse more helpful than keyboard. So I prefer IceWM. I have not gone over to the window managers with only keyboard bindings. I prefer keyboard plus mouse. So it depends on, everybody has a choice, everybody is comfortable with certain things. So you check it out for yourself, what is good for you. So we will just go through the overall workings of the IceWM manager and the different history of the IceWM managers and other managers, comparison between the different managers. So let us go ahead. Windows can be iconified to the taskbar, to the tray, to the desktop, or made hidden. They are controllable by quick switch window, Alt plus tab in a window list. Handful of configurable focus models are menu selectable. Setups with multiple monitors are supported by R&R and Zinrama. IceWM is very configurable, themable, and well documented. It includes an optional external background wallpaper manager with a transparency support. So in other Windows manager, you need to install a separate background wallpaper manager, but IceWM comes with default external background wallpaper manager, so it makes the things more easier. It supports a simple session manager and a system tray. IceWM is available on popular Linux distributions like Debian, Ubuntu, Arch, OpenSUSE, Gentoo, Slackware, CentOS, NTX, NixOS, and also compiles with most BSD systems. It is coded from scratch in C++ by Marco Masek in 1997. It is now maintained at GitHub. The latest release is 2.9.7. Features: so it is easy to use, simple and fast. It is standards compliant, fully usable with keyboard. So let us check out what is standards compliant, what they mean by standards compliant. Okay, so there is a ICCWM compliance, client to window manager communication. So the compliance, what exactly it is given. So the window manager will retain no memory of the old value of the property. So you can go through the details. I will not go through the details. So there is some standards for the icons, pop-up windows, window groups, client responses, window manager properties. So every window manager has to comply with the standards. So IceWM is already complying with the standards, so they are given here. And the different root window properties also it is supported, so it is giving a list of the root window properties, the root window messages. So there is can be messaging between the different windows. Then there is application window properties which are supported. So it is an exhaustive list. I will not go in detail because you cannot just discuss. This is all, it requires a lot of background knowledge to do all these things. So it is itself a long time it will take to study all these things. So I will not go in detail. We will come back to the page. So we were discussing the features of IceWM. So it is fully usable with keyboard. Alt tab window switching is available. Efficient resource usage is there. Task bar is optional. Multiple workspaces, it is fully documented. So IceWM typically whenever I used, it is around 150 MB of memory it consumes. 150, not more than 200. It will not go. It's very efficient in resource usage. Let us check out the full documentation. Okay, so here these are the manual pages of IceWM. So you can always use this. What I will do is I will just copy this manual pages. I will put this in the video description on YouTube, so you can directly access the web pages and you can study it on your own. So I will just go back. You can go through this. And the standards compliance, if you want, it's okay. No, I don't think many users will go and read the standards compliance except for some developers. So they already know how to access that page and read it for themselves. So documentation, okay. Manual pages, many will read. So I will be keeping it in the video description. And it supports a large number of themes. Let us check out the themes. So that will be interesting for all the users. So this is the box look organization. So you can just check out the themes for the IceWM window manager. So this is also, I will keep it here. I will just it is themes. Okay. I will save a copy on my desktop. So let us go ahead and then, so you can check out the themes. So this is the ice graphite theme. There is ice graphite blackness. The locos theme is there. Ice matcha will be very much nice. Let us check out. So we can install. Yes, the matcha theme, if you remember, it is on this Mate desktop. Yes, Mate desktop of Debian. It uses those colors. Looks very beautiful. Even this dark sea color, it is good. I think matcha theme is available in Manjaro. Yes, and this matcha light and matcha dark purely, that is a greenish color, it's available in the Mate desktop of Debian. So this surely is promising. If you want, we can check it out. Okay, let us check out some. Okay, let us check out some more themes. Blue eyes will be better, I think. Yes, this is good one. So I think how many? It will be hundreds of themes available. I think the number will go. Yes, it is 411 themes are available for IceWM. So that is good enough choice. We will go back. And IceWM is usable with GNOME and KDE environments. It generates menus when configuration changes. Supports for sound effects is there. So let us check out the sound effects. So iSound is an application which responds to GUI events by playing audio files. So it takes the support of ALSA and libAO and OSS. That is the open sound system, which is fully supported by iSound. Okay, and there are some. These are just, I think, terminal commands to show the display and device, OSS device. Okay, we will go back. There are multiple focus modes, manual placement of Windows option, auto raising of Windows option, tooltips, configurable key bindings. So let us check out the key bindings. So this is important. So here everything is explained now. What is a key, what is a switch key, what is a key binding. So I think there is a yes, there are some example key bindings given, so you can check them out. So what I will do is I will copy this and you can use them. Okay. And there is some screenshots, IceWM screenshots collection. Let us check it out. So here you can see the different decorations, wallpapers for the themes for the IceWM. So this is Windows 7 look like. This one is good. Okay, this is also good. Okay, we'll not go in detail. You can check this out. So I will also share this with you on the video description. Okay, we will go back now. We already discussed the themes. Now translation. So IceWM is translated into 3 dozen languages. To improve the translation for your language at website, first register an account either here or there and then update. What is here and there? Let us check out. Okay, so you have to open a OpenSUSE account. Okay, and or there, what is there? Let us check out. Oh, it is OpenSUSE account only. And what is this update link? Okay, it gives the list of languages that have been translated into by IceWM. So IceWM is available in these languages. So some of the languages like say Hebrew and Hindi are partially, just 23-29%. Greek is quite advanced. It is almost 90% translated. So you can check out if your language is available and it is fully or partially translated into. Now let us go further ahead. So the documentation man pages are available here. The IceWM manual is also available. think what we have done is, yes, manuals are there. Themes how to is available. IceWM FAQs are also available. Okay, then themes how to, that also I will copy the link and post it here. And then the IceWM manual. Okay, it is the same one, so I will not repeat this. Okay, and you can add your bugs and do the bug tracking here, so you can check out on GitHub. So if you want to install the latest release, you can use this terminal commands to download and install it on your system. So you can go through this, and there is some more installation and configuration help to how to make IceWM from scratch, IceWM on Arch Quickie, IceWM by Arch user. Then there is links to the IceWM sound files, IceWM release history, compare Windows Manager, list of all Windows Manager, extended Windows Manager hints, and the anatomy of modern Windows Manager thesis. So what we will do is, first let us check out the comparison of the window managers, or what we can do is, first let us check out the different window managers available. So this is the comprehensive list of the window managers available for Unix. So this is a list of every freely available window manager that the author is aware of. So roughly 180 window managers were available in 2011, and they have increased to about 185 in 2021. So the recently added window managers are NewM, Cagebreak, WMonad, WL, Wayfire, River, Solder, Phase, E16, NSCED, Progman, Worm, XWM. So it is a quite long list, so we will not be able to cover each and every one, but I will try to cover the first 5-6. So 2BWM, it is available on Git. The homepage link is there. It was released in August of 2021. It is a fast voting virtual Windows manager, written over Xcbid library and derived from MCWM. And 2WM, so homepage is on Wikipedia. Git version not available. Stereo Windows Manager, it is stripped and simplified version of DWM by the same author. Reasonably thorough documentation. The homepage is given on success.org Git repository. 2WM is periodically disappeared in the past. Gone in 2018 January. Original homepage and the local archive copy 2007 copy. So I think it is discontinued. It is not available. It is not under development. It was discontinued in 2018. 3DWM, same, it is not available. One of the greatest attempts at 3D appearance in Windows Manager. Site died in 2010. There has been no development for quite a while. So 5WM is also same. So you can check out the Max Interactive Desktop. I think it is opening the same website. So oh yes, it is the same. It is opening up again. Okay. So like this, there is a huge long list of Windows Manager available. You can check them out. You can check the history. You can visit the home pages for each of the Windows Manager. So now comes the comparison of X window managers. So now there are different types of window managers, so that we will discuss. So what is a stacking window manager? For example, 9WM is a stacking window manager. A stacking window manager that draws and allows windows to overlap without using a compositing algorithm. All Windows managers that allow the overlapping of windows but are not compositing Windows manager are considered stacking Windows manager. So here the detailed description of the stacking window manager is given. You can go through that. I will go back. We will keep it short. It is written in C language. Initial release was 1994 and the present release is 1.4.2. 022. Oh, so it is latest release date is 19 January 2022. It comes and with MIT license, and memory requirement I think is 0.4 MB. Now Awesome, it is a great well-known Windows manager. It's a dynamic Windows manager for the X Windows system developed in C and Lua programming language. Lua is also used for configuring and extending the Windows manager. Its development began as a fork of DWM. It aims to be extremely small and fast. So it was initially released in 2007 and it is still continuing. The last release was 4.3 in the year 2019 January. It comes with a JPL 2 or later license and it uses just 9 MB of memory. So like this you can go on reading. There are long list of different Windows manager available. So let us check out the IceWM. So IceWM is a stacking window manager written in C++. It was first released in 1997. The latest version is 2.9.7 released in January 2022 and it is a LGPL 2 license only and it uses around 4.5 MB of RAM. And the JWM that is Joe's window manager is also a stacking type of Windows manager written in C. First release in 2003, latest release is 2.4.1 released in the February month of 2022. It is comes with MIT license and it uses around 3 MB of memory. So like this you can check out all the Windows manager that are available here and also the features of the different Windows manager is given here. For example, Awesome comes with a configurable title bar buttons. Yes, there is no graphical configuration. The hotkeys configuration is available. It is ICCM compliant. Yes. Panel for window switching. Yes. Tabbed windows. No. Themable. Yes. Now let us go to IceWM. So IceWM has configurable title bar buttons. Graphical configuration depends. You can use third party to do graphical configuration. Hotkeys configuration is available. ICCM compliant. Yes. Panel for window switching. Yes. There is tab windows available. No. And themable. Yes. Like that for JWM, that is Joe's window manager. Configurable title bar buttons. Graphical configuration only via third party tools or apps. Hotkey. Yes. Then it is compliant to ICCM or EWMH, so it is compatible with EWMH. Panel for window switching is available. There is no tab windows and there is no yes, and it is themable. So like this you can check out. For KD, the Kevin Windows manager is available, so it is fully configurable. You can see all yes in all the rows. Let us check out GNOME. GNOME must be there. Okay, so this is GNOME Metacity of the GNOME 2 desktop environment. So I think now Mutter is there. Yes, so GNOME 3 Mutter. Yes, now Mutter is there. Mutter is also, you can see it is highly configurable. Only the tab windows are not available feature. And panel for window switching is through the GNOME shell. And you can check out this PDF, that is the anatomy of the modern window manager. So if you want to understand how the this Windows manager work, so everything is given in detail. So you can just check out this PDF. This is a research paper written by Max van Dusen in the Radboud University. So it is a bachelor's thesis, computing science, the anatomy of modern window manager. A case study in developing a novel top level reparenting list based styling window manager for X in a agile manner. So you can check this out. It is quite detailed. So it gives details on window management, the X window system, how it works, the policy in X window manager. So what is ICCM, what is EWMH, agile software development, implementation process, implementation product, related work, list based styling window manager, tree based styling window managers, XOR foundation distribution. So all this there are total, I think, say 80-85 pages will be there. So you can check this out, you read it fully. I think I have kept this. No, I will copy this and put it here. Okay, so I will save it. Okay friends, so I will stop the video here, and in the next video we'll do a detailed review of the IceWM Windows Manager on a NTX 21 Linux distro. Thank you very much for being with us during the course of this video. Do like, subscribe and comment on our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, otherwise you will miss the new videos. Bye bye.